Have you observed that your videos all of a sudden flatline and your channel is not being pushed and promoted by YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 bad habits that quickly kill small YouTube channels and what you must do to avoid and to resurrect your channel. Number 1, inconsistent upload schedules. Viewers forget your channel, and because of that, YouTube algorithms stop promoting your videos. Why? Because audience trust drops sharply, and if that continues to happen, then automatically the algorithm will abandon your channel. When I mean inconsistent upload, I don't mean you continue to upload every day or you upload every 2 days. No, it means you always show up, and when you show up with the right topics that the users are interested in. The viewers can easily click on, not just some random topics. If you're able to achieve that, you can see that the algorithm will work in your favor. So please make sure you avoid inconsistent upload. If you are going to abide by maybe 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, make sure you show up. But as a new creator, as a new channel, as a small channel, make sure the topics you are treating are relevant to the current need. Number 2, ignoring title and thumbnail design. Sometimes we ignore the power of the title of that particular video because it will determine the click-through rate. Low click-through rates can be determined by the thumbnail and the title. Great content stay hidden for months and for weeks because of the title and the thumbnail being not optimized perfectly. High impressions can yield 0 views. It is possible for your video to get very high impressions and you are not getting any views. That is the fault of your title and your thumbnail. So you redesign them, you change your title and give the algorithm another chance to push that particular video. Number 3, making content only for yourself. Some viewers, especially new creators, tend to create videos or titles or content that are related to themselves or that they feel like creating. At that point, they are going to fail automatically. If you don't create content with the viewers in mind, then automatically that channel is going to fail. If you are missing target audience needs, if you are not solving viewers' problem, if your channel lacks clear channel niche, then automatically that channel will be dead. So avoid this particular mistake. Create content that are relevant to the need of the current trend, and also evergreen topics. Evergreen topics are very important for your channel, especially if you are a small creator. Number 4, poor audio quality. Now, if you check my channel, the best performing video so far is one of the videos that has poor audio quality, but it is still gaining favor with the algorithm. I don't even know why. All right, probably is because of the topic and the thumbnail. That is why it is being pushed. So you might be able to avoid some of these things if you are able to package your videos properly, because poor audio quality can lead to viewers clicking away instantly. Okay, it can lead to lower average view duration. All right, and this happens because you are using cheap mics and then your visuals are so bad. So invest in microphone or audio input devices that can give you the best audios. Number 5, copying big creators exactly. You are missing out. In fact, it is going to ruin your channel. Missing unique personal branding will affect your channel. If you are competing with impossible budgets, it will kill your channel because you are going to lack authentic and viewer connection. So because of that, you must be able to avoid that if you know you want to grow as a small creator. Now, in one of my videos, not in this channel, I uploaded a particular video and the thumbnail I used was from a big creator. I copied that particular thumbnail and I'm telling you that video was on 0 views for almost 3 hours. What I did was that I now search for similar topic on YouTube. I looked for a channel that was just created and I saw a channel that was created just few days ago, and I checked the channel and that particular video had about 200 views. I copied that particular thumbnail, I re-edited it, I pushed it to ChatGPT to remodel that particular thumbnail, and immediately I uploaded that thumbnail, within few minutes that video started getting traction and even views. So please make sure you don't compete with already established channels. Copy small creators, look for small creators that are doing well, and try to implement what is helping their channel to be pushed in order for your channel to also gain relevance. So what do you think in the comments? Which of these mistakes, which of these bad habits have you been making so far, and how do you intend to avoid them? Let me hear your opinions in the comments.